Action.
Hello everybody, this is John Morris and today we're going to learn about healthy eating in our stomach that we need to eat. First we're going to do, beg my pardon, carbohydrates. And first in our carbohydrates we got our bread, rice and pasta. We're next going to learn about vitamins and minerals and, shoo away fly. Sorry about that everyone. And well, we got bananas and apples and oranges. Last one, we have proteins. And we got our porridge here and our green broccoli ready to eat and eggs. Big eggs, actually. And well, all of these will make you healthy and strong with big muscles. And don't forget to hit the like button. Bye bye, everyone.